Hey dreamers, I'm coming at you with my version of a sweet potato pie. So I washed the potatoes first. Now I'm putting them in the pot. I'm getting ready to boil them. I know some people do bake them, but this is how I learned. So that's why I said this is my version. Now, dreamers, I'm getting ready to peel these potatoes. So the skin comes off so nice and naturally when I boil them. And I don't let them cool long. I just let them cool enough so I can hold them, so they're, this is still a little warm. So I'm going to get all those little brown or black little strings out of there. So our potato look good like it should. So this is the last one that we're doing here before we go in and start mashing. Now, before I forget, I'm going to come in with the products that we're going to be using for this sweet potato pie. And it's going to be white sugar, brown sugar, condensed milk, vanilla, almond flavoring for parts of it, and an egg and butter. My apologies, dreamers. I didn't get the footage of mashing the potatoes up, but I melted the butter in the microwave. If you don't want to use the microwave, you can melt it on the stove, and you're gonna put some melted butter in there to start it off. That makes it so good. And I'm talking about butter, not margarine, not spread, but butter. And I'm gonna continue mashing. It's gonna make it better. I'm going to add 2 cups of white sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. I like sugar in my sweet potato pie. I like my sweet potato pie to be sweet. I don't like it with an aftertaste, so I do not use nutmeg. Correction, dreamers, I use like 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar instead of 2 cups. I'm going in with my mixer on medium speed, and I'm just going to get all these ingredients married together. I'm just going to stir it one good time, dreamers, and make sure it's all mixed together. And then I'm going to preheat the oven on 375 for this pie. I think I'm going to make 2. I'm not for sure. Now I'm adding that wonderful condensed milk instead of pet milk. This gives my sweet potato pie so much flavor. I do like using this better than pet milk. Or we do call the other milk I'm referring to evaporated milk. So you want to use condensed milk, dreamers, to make it have that nice sweetness to it. Now, dreamers, I'm coming in with that Celtic sea salt just to balance out the sweetness. I'm going to go in with 1/4 of a teaspoon of the Celtic sea salt. And if you don't have that, and you use iodized salt, I guess you can use that. But I have gone away from the iodized salt, so I'm using this. We're adding a teaspoon of cinnamon, dreamers. I'm going to use pre-made pie crusts, and they are frozen. So this is what I'm using straight out of the freezer, and I'm going to put my pie filling in these and put it right in the oven. All right, I'm pouring my pie filling right down into the pie crust, the pre-made frozen pie crust. And I think that may be enough. I'm going to smooth it around and see. Make this look like a real, store-bought pie. Not like a homemade pie, but it's going to taste good and homemade. Now, dreamers, this is the pie with just the vanilla in it. The other pie is going to have almond extract in it. So I do have to make the pie allergy friendly. So now I'm going in with my almond extract. This is going to give my pie such a great flavor. I love almond, but like I say, I have family members that have nut allergies, so I do have to make the almond pie separate when I use my almond extract. We don't want to take any chances. So this is the last pie, and I'm just going to stir this in here so I can pour up this last pie. Here we are, dreamers. Our pies are all done. And that was so easy. You can do it. Thank you for watching, dreamers. Please press the notification bell so you can get notification every time I drop another video. Please like, watch, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, dreamers.